So here is how we can remove or turn off the Find My iPad from another device. Let's get into it. So what you need to do is to have another device ready, like it might be an iPhone or a computer, where you need to go to the web browser of your choice and then type in iCloud.com. In there, you need to sign in to your Apple account. Keep in mind that it has to be the account which was logged in on the iPad as well, right? So it has to be the same one. So obviously you need to type in the password. If you have the two-factor authentication enabled, you have to confirm your identity that way as well. But once you have this done, you can go and access the iCloud web version, which contains all of the information like your emails, notes, and whatever else. But there is also the Find My app, where similar to your iPhone, you can locate the position of your devices, items, which are AirTags, or also people if you have some sharing enabled. And in there, obviously in the device section, you can locate the iPad, and there should be the ability to remove it from this account. So of course you can do that to like sign out from the Find My or like Apple account remotely, but just keep in mind that this feature exists for a reason. It is like a security service. So this is only supposed to be done when you know what's going on, and not if you are like lost your iPad, for example. If you happen to lost it, then you don't really need to do that. You shouldn't, in fact, in order to protect your devices. But yeah, that's it from me. That's how we're gonna do this. Let me know if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the later videos.